we are looking at the weak verbs in the past, present, and past participle. We look at some more. We have done some. We have some more to look at. Okay. Now let's look at the word I have here is catch. You throw the ball, no? Someone throws the ball, you catch. Then what do you say? The past, caught. Catch, caught, caught. Okay? Catch. Catch. You catch the ball, you caught the ball. Catch, caught. And in the past participle also same caught. I caught the ball. Okay? And you formed it by adding T to the past tense. The ending either T, ED or D. Now, clothed. You clothe. You are clothed. Clothed. You clothe a person. Clothed a person. Clothed a person. In the past participle also same. You see a poor little girl or boy, no clothes. So what do? Torn clothes. So you clothe the person. You clothed. You clothed that child. Creep. A little mouse will creep. You see the little mouse creep. Then you see the mouse, you say crept. He went into the hole. Creep, crept and crept. Creep. Or you can say the baby. I saw the baby creep. I saw the baby crept. Crept into the next room. Crept. And the past participle also crept. There is no change. Next is curse. A witch normally curses. Then you say a witch cursed. Past also, past participle same. Curse. Curse. Cursed. And the past participle also cursed. Curse. Cursed. Next you have in the D, dare. Daring. A very strong, bold girl say, she dare. You dare not go. The mummy will say, no, I go, I dare. So we will say, she dared to go. Dared to go. Okay? Dare. Dare. And you formed by adding D. Dared. Dared. Okay? And past part also dared. Here you are forming, adding ED. Here also ED. Okay. Deal. When you have business, you deal. Or in you play, let's have a deal. Okay? Then after that you say, for the past, you'll say dealt. Okay? Deal. You have a deal, you dealt. D. Dealt. And again, for the past participle, also same. Deal, dealt, dealt. Then you have deceive. Somebody lets you down. Deceive. Somebody cheated you. Deceived. Deceive, deceived. You were deceived. You deceive a person, you were deceived. Deceived. Then we have die. You can say your little puppy. Look at the puppy. What happened to the puppy? My puppy died. Then you say, my puppy died. Past tense, died. Die, died, and in the past also died. Adding D. You added D here. Then you have dream. You dream in the night. Then you say, I dreamt. dreamt. So you have a dream, you in your mind, then you say, I dreamt. I dreamt about my puppy. And the past also you have dreamt. Now, in the dream, you have two types of spelling. A little, you say dream, dreamed. You can also say I dreamed. I dreamed, and also again. Okay, so there are two different spellings: dream, dreamt, dreamt, dreamed, dreamed, dreamed. Now, we are looking at the weak verbs. We are looking at the weak verbs in the three forms, and the weak verbs are formed by adding T or ED or D to the present to form the past. You have here catch, caught, caught, clothe, clothed, creep, crept, crept, curse, cursed, cursed, dare, dared, dead, deal, dealt, dealt, deceive, deceived, deceived, die, died, died. In dream, you have two different spelling: dream, dreamt, dreamt, dreamed, dreamed, dreamed. So we are looking at the weak verbs in the present, past, and past participle. Most of the time, in the past participle and the past, both are same. Very rarely you have changed, but in all this what we have done, it's all the same. We have some more to look at.